you excited to go? Huh? Come on. That's awfully steep going down there, but whew, that's pretty, huh? Alright, let's take a walk around the truck, make sure everything looks good. You're cute. You mean cute, huh? Yeah. My plan was to make a meal tonight, but the meat I was going to use still frozen. So we're gonna cook that up tomorrow night. Good morning. Good morning. What are you doing? You ready to get up? Oh, you ready to get up? You little silly goose, I can see your tail wagging through the covers. Who's a happy girl? No? Okay. Well, good morning. It is the first morning after leaving, starting our journey south. We went to bed super early last night, probably about 7:30. And now it's 3:45. Couldn't sleep anymore. So decided might as well get up and just get the day going. So let's make some coffee. Well, good morning again. Just got done making some coffee. It's a little chilly in here, so we're gonna start bundling up. But anyways, the plan for today is to roll out of here and go check out this little ghost town in Comet, Montana. So after that, then we're going to go to another free campground. I know this is kind of boring, just camping in, regular campgrounds, but it's an easy start to the long adventure ahead. So we're going to do that the first couple nights, obviously. Did that last night. Going to do it tonight. And then I'm going to be in Bozeman and going to be hanging out with my cousins. So then we're going to be picking it back up on Sunday. But until then, we got lots to do. So start with some coffee.
He does. He hid it. He seems to want to help us.
Seems to want to help us.
Well, hello there. Good morning once again. It's finally light out. Stopped raining. And we are going to go see if we can walk down to the lake and take a look. So let's do that. Well, I can see the lake. Oops. And get all wet. Which, well, let's go take a look here. It's not horrible. There it is. Oh, okay. This is all kind of marshy stuff. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can tell or not, but... Anyways, yeah, no, let's go back this way, Dot. Well, that was fun. Little jaunt down to the lake. We're doing a little exploring. Come on, sweetheart, let's go. Come on. Quite the adventure that was. Well, all right. Back at the homestead, mobile homestead. All right, we're gonna get ready to go here. Pretty much have everything put up. Just gotta do last minute thing here, which will be, we don't want this flying around, and we don't want the old tablet flying around, so I'll just tuck her down there. All right, I think that's it. One last thing we got to do is turn our propane off. And I forgot about this. Turn the propane off. And then switch the fridge back over to... Switch the fridge to DC. Oh yeah, no, that was right, DC. Okay, now we're good. Let's make sure we know where we're going. And boom, we are...
Head southeast.
Bam. Here we go. Well, we were driving down the highway here and saw this beautiful lake, so we decided to pull off. This here is Salmon Lake. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Well, I just so happened to come across this when I was mapping out our next destination, and I wanted to stop here and take a look. Apparently this is a old coke oven or charcoal oven. As you can see, it's behind a fence here, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume it's on private property and not go in there. But how cool is that? From above it looked like or you know, the satellite view, it looked like there was more, like here, 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 here. Pretty cool. Too bad we can't go and poke around, but gotta respect the private property. Oh, holy moly, it's cold out there. All right, well, on to our next destination. hill. There's my temperature gauge, and it is way up. Yeah, no problems at speed, you know, on the regular roads. But as soon as I start going slow and have any kind of load, then I start overheating. So here we are. I just took about, I'd say maybe 35, 45 minutes. Spent that amount of time going about a mile. So hopefully we're on top of this hill now. And, well, we are on top of a hill. Just hopefully it doesn't go anymore. Yeah, so anyways. Wish me luck. Well, I don't know what the mileage was last time, but maybe you guys can see it. Oops. That's how far we made it before he overheated again. So this is fun. This can be a good time. Okay, well, this scared the holy bejesus out of me. Coming up this hill, I don't know if you can tell how deep this ditch is, or this little rut, but yeah. So pulling it up, slipped off. Well, look at that. I don't know how it didn't tip over. Holy guacamole. So